Good morning. We are going to discuss the uses of ammonia. Now, liquid ammonia is used as a refrigerant in ice plants. Reason? It takes a lot of energy to vaporize. It is actually a clear colorless liquid under pressure. Okay? Under pressure only, because actually ammonia is a gas. So, under pressure it is a liquid, but it evaporates rapidly. But for this evaporation, it requires a large amount of energy. So when this energy it takes from its surroundings, then it makes the surroundings cool. Okay, and then it produces a cooling effect. This makes ammonia a good refrigerant. Understood? Ammonia is a liquid under pressure. This liquid has to convert into vapor state. How will it convert to vapor state? It will take the heat from the surroundings. When it takes a lot of heat from the surroundings to vaporize, what will happen? The surroundings will become cool, and that is why it is a good refrigerant. Okay. Now, why do we use ammonia as a refrigerant? Which were the earlier options for refrigeration? So the main refrigerants that were used earlier, they were freon, chlorofluorocarbons. So what was the problem with these? You know it very well. These chlorofluorocarbons, they deplete the ozone layer and contribute to global warming. Right? How? These reactions also you are familiar with. The chlorofluorocarbons are decomposed by ultraviolet light. Okay? So this ultraviolet light produces chlorine free radical, means chlorine in its atomic form, and you know that it is very unstable. Okay, this chlorine reacts with the ozone of the which is present in the ozone layer. What is the function of this ozone layer, children? It protects us from the UV radiations. Okay, so this chlorine, it reacts with it. Finally, see, our ozone is broken down. Okay, and what is formed? Oxygen. Okay, and this chlorine monoxide, this chlorine monoxide again reacts with oxygen, atomic oxygen. Okay, because this is also all these are free radicals, right? So atomic oxygen also, it reacts and again produces chlorine free radical. Again this free radical destroys ozone layer, and it is a cycle which goes on. Okay, so this causes ozone depletion. Okay, so that is why now ammonia is more compatible, environmental friendly. Main reason, does not deplete the ozone layer and contributes, and it does not contribute toward global warming. Okay. Then ammonia, we also can recognize it if it leaks. It has a peculiar smell. So if there is a leakage, we will be able to recognize in easily, just like our LPG. We are able to recognize that leakage is there. Ammonia also, if it leaks, it is very detectable. But disadvantage, ammonia is not compatible with copper, means it will react with copper pipes. If we use ammonia to pass through copper pipes, it will react. Okay, and ammonia is poisonous in high concentration. Okay, so if leakage is there, more amount of ammonia is there, it is poisonous. Although the peculiar smell is there and one should be able to detect it, and because it is lighter, very lighter than air, it goes up also quickly in the atmosphere. But still, if more amount of ammonia is taken in the body, it is poisonous. Okay, so ammonia solution is an important laboratory reagent. This we know, analytical chemistry, right? Ammonia, another important thing, all our glass cleaners, tiles, window cleaners, all those solutions, they are made up of ammonia, because ammonia removes the grease, emulsifies or dissolves the fats. जहाँ पर भी चिकनी चीज़ें होंगी ना, wherever the oil things are produced in the kitchen. All the kitchen rack, their cleaners, they all have ammonia. Okay, so it dissolves the fat and grease. Ammonia is used in the manufacture of fertilizers. Now ammonia and carbon dioxide produce urea. CO in between, NH2, NH2. Okay, it gives urea, which is a valuable nitrogenous fertilizers. We have done it initially in the lesson on the first page. I think it was there. It was there that bacterial decomposition of urea. Urea is present in urine also. Okay, so bacterial decomposition of urea also leads to production of ammonia. And when now we are doing the alteration, from ammonia we are producing urea. Okay, so this ammonia and urea, ammonia and carbon dioxide produces urea and water. Okay, one more thing here, I think I forgot to tell you. Lab preparation, this you all know that this is slag lime. NH4Cl is sal ammoniac. This is the other name. Sal, SAL, AMMONIAC, sal ammoniac, NH4Cl. Okay, we'll come back here. Ammonia is ammonium nitrate decomposes explosively. We know this. So ammonia is also used to produce explosives. Then ammonia is used as a smelling salt. Very peculiar smell is there. So any person who has fainted is revived using ammonium carbonate salt. Okay. This reaction, it has come the third time. It can decompose in the presence of heat. So nylon, rayon, many ceramic, sodium cyanamide, plastics, dyes, they are also produced using ammonia. Then there is one Solvay process given here. NaCl, ammonia, carbon dioxide, water. Interaction of all these chemicals, it gives a precipitate of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, this sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate is separated. I mean, when we heat it, ignite it to obtain sodium carbonate, right? So we can use it for the production of sodium carbonate also. Now this exercise, the chapter at end exercise, which has the board questions. Children, this exercise all the classes will be doing only when we meet. We will discuss it that time, but you are supposed to do it by yourself. It will give you an idea of how much you have read the chapter, how much you have understood, whether you can do it by yourself or not. We will be discussing when the school reopens, but you have to do it. You have to be ready with the answers. Don't wait for me to discuss with you. Be ready with the answers. The whole exercise, it has board questions, and definitely it will give you confidence that what you have read, you have clearly understood it. Okay, and for today you have to do the assignment, that is test for ammonia, gas and ammonium ion. So you will write this test, all these 4 you will write. Give the heading test for ammonium gas and ammonium ion. Write these 4. Now uses, how you will write. You need not write the uses, all of them, but definitely you have to study all of them. Uses, I want you all to make this kind of a flow chart, okay, of the uses which are given in this. I have taken from the internet. It is random. I don't know whether all these are there in your textbook or not, but you have to make such a concept map. Make it on a sheet of paper. When we meet, I will check it, and then you have to paste it in your notebooks. It should be there in all of your notebooks, right? So you will make it properly. Whatever uses are given, just you have to make it uses of ammonia in the center, and whatever you can get. If suppose something has parts in it, then definitely you have to make parts of it. Parts. Okay, so make it elaborate, but it should be in the form of a concept map. Now this work has to be done, and exercise questions I am expecting you to complete it. Plus now you should start studying this lesson. Hydrogen chloride, I do expect that everybody should have read it by now. Understood? Any doubts, please contact me between 5 and 6 p.m. But don't keep your doubts to yourself. Understand everything. We are there with you. You have to read and read. If there is a doubt, look into the videos again. If still there is a doubt, please ask. But definitely children, during this time you have to give time to studies. Okay? So do this work and we finish this lesson. Do the question answers. Definitely I am very sure it's going to give you confidence a lot. Okay. Have a good day.